You're lost in a wet, wet thunderstorm. It's dark. You come across an abandoned cabin. In the cabin, you find a shoestring, one log, a pine cone, and one match. What do you light first? The match. This Tuesday's tip, we're going to make waterproof matches. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start out 2 tablespoons of turpentine, strike on box matches. I'll start with about 5, see if I can do this, 4 or 5. And we're going to, so the match tips are just in turpentine. And what's going to happen is, it's going to soak up into the match stick itself. The turpentine then replaces the moisture content. We're going to leave this in for 5 minutes, going to soak it all up, and then we're going to continue with the rest of the process. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Pull them out of here and then let them dry individually on your newspaper, and they need to dry for 20 minutes. What we can do otherwise is we can go ahead and do them with wax. I'm going to light this up. We're going to drip quite a bit of wax onto this wax paper, and we're going to roll some of these match heads into there and then let them dry also. Okay, you're going to let these dry a little bit. I'll just put them on this box. All right, so I think I'm going to do pull that a little bit. You're going to squeeze this just like that. Make sure it's good and sealed around the head. Now it's probably a good idea to actually carry these with you. You've all got a film canister from somewhere in the garage or in the dusty drawer. We don't take film anymore. So we're going to put them in here. We're going to put them in here. Put those down there. Put them upside down. And there we go. This is Hammer. This is Tuesday's Tips. Make sure you subscribe, give us a like, and wait to find some more recipes on the site. Give us a shout. I'll answer back anytime.